The Lane County Public Health Building in downtown Eugene with the details. Good evening, Sina. What can you tell us right now?
Ty, Lane County Public Health is warning us about measles after a man returned from Disneyland and just started showing symptoms. With me right now is the Lane County Public Health spokesperson, Jason Davis. Now, Jason, what can you first tell us about this case?
So one of the most interesting things about this case is that it's the first case of measles since 2007 in Lane County. So obviously we are on high alert. It's a very, very contagious disease. One case will cause typically around 16 to 18 new cases. So it's one that we really want to try to get a handle on early, which is why we're talking to you.
Okay, and can you tell us about how many people have been exposed? Who should be worried about being exposed?
So we just started doing the epidemiological work this morning on it. So far, our initial thoughts are that there were a lot of people exposed. This individual had a lot of community contacts during the period when he was contagious.
Okay, and what are some of the symptoms that you can tell us about measles?
So unfortunately, one of the disease starts off with flu-like symptoms, which is problematic this time of year since so many people have the flu. But it will start to develop a rash about 3 to 4 days into the infection. Before that, you'll notice a high fever, some body aches, as well as itchy eyes or runny eyes. You start tearing up quite a bit, and they'll get red, and they'll also be sensitive to light. And so if you're starting to experience those, we recommend that people stay home. Do not go into a hospital. Do not go into a doctor's office. Stay home and call your medical provider and seek assistance that way. And we just ask that because it'll reduce the number of people that are exposed.
Okay, and really quickly, any precautions that we can take?
Just like any other communicable disease, respiratory hygiene is a huge one. So measles does cause nasal congestion, so you're going to be blowing your nose a lot. Please throw away your tissue in a proper receptacle. Also, cough into your shoulder or arm, and make sure you wash your hands frequently. And that goes for everyone. It'll just keep you healthy throughout the season.
Okay, thank you so much. Again, this is Jason Davis with the Lane County Public Health. You know, you can count on News Source 16 for continuing coverage. But for right now, I'm Sina Saleem live in Eugene. Back to you, Ty.
Sina, thank you. And Jason Davis with Lane County Public Health, thank you as well. Of course, you can count on News Source 16 for continuing coverage of this breaking news story. We will have updates for you both on the air and off on our Facebook and our Twitter page at KMTR. You can always look for the hashtag live on KMTR.